The landscape of personal computing is undergoing a seismic shift, and at the center of this revolution sits a device that has redefined what we expect from a tablet. For years, the debate has raged. Can a tablet ever truly replace your laptop? Today, we are looking at the answer to that question. The iPad 12th generation 2026 isn't just an iteration. It is a fundamental reimagining of portable power, precision engineering, and seamless integration. Whether you are a professional creative, a student pushing the boundaries of research, or a power user who demands performance in every aspect of life, the iPad 12th generation 2026 has been engineered to dismantle the barriers between thought and creation. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the architecture of the iPad 12th generation 2026, dissecting why this specific machine is poised to dominate the premium market and why the leaks surrounding its capabilities have sent shockwaves through the tech community. We're talking about an overhaul that touches every internal component, from the raw processing might of a new chipset to the revolutionary display technology that makes every pixel feel alive. This isn't just about speed. It's about a complete transformation of the user experience. When we talk about the iPad 12th generation 2026, the first thing that commands attention is the display. Apple has long been the gold standard for screen fidelity, but the iPad 12th generation 2026 moves the goalposts yet again. By moving to a more refined panel technology, the iPad 12th generation 2026 achieves a level of color accuracy and brightness that was previously reserved for professional-grade reference monitors. For those who edit video, color grade, or simply appreciate the beauty of a high dynamic range image, the iPad 12th generation 2026 offers an immersive canvas that is simply unmatched. The blacks are ink-deep, the highlights are searing, and the transition between frames is buttery smooth, thanks to a dynamic refresh rate that anticipates your every movement. But a great display is nothing without the power to drive it. At the heart of the iPad 12th generation 2026, we find the latest iteration of Apple Silicon, a chip designed to handle intensive workflows without breaking a sweat. Whether you're rendering complex 3D scenes, managing massive datasets, or multitasking with dozens of apps, the iPad 12th generation 2026 handles these tasks with the cool, efficient precision of a desktop workstation. The thermal management in the iPad 12th generation 2026 has been completely redesigned, allowing for sustained peak performance that defies its thin, ultra-portable form factor. This is where the iPad 12th generation 2026 cements its status as a true professional tool. Think about your daily workflow. How much time do you lose waiting for processes to finish, for files to export, or for an application to launch? The iPad 12th generation 2026 is built to eliminate that friction. The neural engine embedded within the iPad 12th generation 2026 takes local machine learning to new heights, enabling features that feel like magic, from real-time background separation in video calls to instant text recognition and live, on-device translation. When you use the iPad 12th generation 2026, you aren't just using an app. You are utilizing a system that is constantly learning, optimizing, and adapting to your unique rhythm. Connectivity is another pillar of the iPad 12th generation 2026 experience. With faster, more stable Wi-Fi 7 integration and an improved cellular antenna design, the iPad 12th generation 2026 ensures that you remain connected at high speeds regardless of your location. In an era where remote work and global collaboration are the norms, having a device like the iPad 12th generation 2026 that treats high bandwidth data transfers as a baseline capability is a massive advantage. It allows you to synchronize massive projects in the cloud or stream high-fidelity content without a second thought. We must also address the software ecosystem. The iPad 12th generation 2026 works in perfect concert with the latest version of iPadOS, a platform that has grown increasingly sophisticated to take advantage of the hardware power available. The multitasking gestures on the iPad 12th generation 2026 are intuitive, the file management system is robust, and the overall stability is top tier. When you look at the iPad 12th generation 2026, you are looking at the culmination of a long-term strategy to give users a device that is as flexible as it is powerful. It is no longer just a media consumption device. It is a productivity powerhouse. Furthermore, the battery life of the iPad 12th generation 2026 is designed to get you through the longest creative sessions. Through intelligent power management and a more dense energy cell, the iPad 12th generation 2026 provides peace of mind for the mobile professional. You can head out for the day, edit, write, design, and create, and still have power to spare when you return home. This level of reliability is exactly what makes the iPad 12th generation 2026 a must-have for anyone serious about their output. Many will ask, is the upgrade worth it? If you look at the trajectory of the iPad 12th generation 2026, it is clear that the answer lies in the longevity of the device. This is a machine designed to be relevant for years to come. The hardware specs of the iPad 12th generation 2026 are built to handle the future of software development, augmented reality, and creative applications that we are only just beginning to imagine. Investing in the iPad 12th generation 2026 is an investment in your own capabilities. As we look at the design aesthetic of the iPad 12th generation 2026, we see a clean, refined silhouette that reflects its professional utility. Everything is deliberate. The placement of the cameras, the precision of the ports, and the overall balance of the device have been optimized for use in the field, in the studio, or on the go. The iPad 12th generation 2026 is not just technology. It is an extension of your creative intent. In conclusion, the iPad 12th generation 2026 represents the pinnacle of modern tablet technology. It is a device that does not compromise on performance, display quality, or utility. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or entering the ecosystem for the first time, the iPad 12th generation 2026 is the standard bearer for what a mobile computing device can achieve in 2026. If you value your time, your creativity, and your productivity, this is the machine that will change how you work. Keep your eyes on the iPad 12th generation 2026 because it is setting a new bar that the rest of the industry will be chasing for a long time to come. Thank you for joining this deep dive, and stay tuned for more analysis on the cutting edge of tech.